Today, it's all about gold. The safe haven has touched 50,000 rupees. That's right, you heard me right. 50,000 rupees in India. What is all of this about? What is causing this? You're not seeing in the international market. Why are Indians flocking to the gold market? Here's a very special report put together by Team ET Now.
The Indian love for gold is well known, and for many, the obsession with the yellow metal has paid off. Retail gold prices have crossed the 50,000 rupee mark per 10 grams, marking a rise of 23% this year. But why are we seeing a rise in prices? We all know that customer expenditure has reduced because of the uncertainty caused by COVID-19. But perhaps that's one of the reasons why people are flocking towards gold, long considered a safe haven for investors. Fears of a second wave of the virus and a global economic slowdown have only made it more attractive. Meanwhile, gold prices in India have outperformed global rates because of a depreciating rupee and import duties. So if you're an investor, should you also become a part of this gold rush? Equity investor and commodity guru Jim Rogers says that he's bought a little bit of gold, but he's not buying a lot of it.
I have bought a little more gold. I'm not buying a lot right now because certainly in Asia, many people are having to sell their gold and silver to eat. You know, these are hard times in some places. So I am waiting. I would suspect maybe later this summer.
On the other hand, Mohammad El Arian, the chief economic advisor at Allianz on our show The Market, believes that gold works well as a mitigating factor.
It's very difficult to find a good risk mitigator in this world. Central banks, through financial repression, have taken interest rates on the safest assets to either ridiculously low level or to negative levels. And therefore, you have to look for alternative diversifiers, and gold plays a role here.
But with COVID causing a reduction in disposable incomes and the social distancing norms preventing our usual big fat Indian weddings, will Indians even be interested or be able to afford buying gold at these levels of 50,000?